Put it all together. One full day of flying, start to finish, in just 3 minutes. Begins the way every flight does. The checklist, the engine coming to life, the propeller spinning up.
Full power and airborne.
And we taxi out, roll onto the runway, and full power carries us up into the sky. Climb over green fields and break out above a soft deck of clouds. City and its river drift by below as the pilot navigates across the miles. Sun sinks low, and the golden hour paints the coastline in warm light. Finally, the landing, the taxi back, and the walk inside. A full day of flying complete. For riding along with Aviation Lab, subscribe for more. Dream, learn, fly.